Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the problematic clip into Capcut and placing it on the timeline. This preserves original settings. Once done, scrub slowly and use the preview to identify where flicker appears and whether it's periodic or random. Make sure to duplicate the clip track so you can revert if needed. You do this because working non-destructively lets you compare before and after quickly. Finally, note the clip's frame rate and exposure characteristics. That information guides the filtering and manual correction steps coming. You now apply Capcut's corrective tools targeted to the type of flicker you found. If it's subtle exposure variation, use exposure keyframes and adjust small increments across affected frames. This smooths brightness shifts. For noise-driven flicker, add denoise and slightly reduce sharpness to hide banding. When flicker repeats per frame, try frame blending or a tiny speed ramp. That mixes frames and reduces visible jumpiness. Keep toggling the duplicate track on and off so you can compare and choose the least destructive fix. You finish by refining adjustments. Zoom to 100% preview, play at normal and half speed to catch residual flicker. Once satisfied, export a short test segment using original frame rate and a high-quality codec to confirm fixes translate to file. If flicker persists, try an external plugin specialized for deflicker or re-import with a different color profile. Sometimes converting to a lossless intermediate removes artifacts. As a last resort, consider reshooting with stable lighting or synchronized shutter settings to eliminate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.